Hi everyone, this is Vijay. Before going to problem, subscribe and support my channel Stats Vijay. Now I am going to take VAM using MODI or UV method, Vogel's approximation method using MODI. In transportation problem, MODI is very important problem. Now I am going to solve the problem. So before enter the problem, we have to check either balanced or unbalanced. So the formula is summation AI equal to summation Bj. Summation AI means AI total is 300 and also Bj total is 300. So therefore it is balanced transportation problem. Therefore it is balanced transportation problem. So now I enter the problem. So we have to find the difference in row wise. In first row, the first list value is 20, another list value is 28, difference is 8. In second row, first list value is 25, another list value is 36, the difference is 11. In third row, first list value is 22, another list value is 35, the difference is 13. In same thing, column, first column list value is 20, another list value is 35, the difference is 15. In second column, the list value is 28, another list value is 36, the difference is 8. Third column, first list value is 22, another list value is 32, the difference is 10. In fourth column, first list value is 44, another list value is 45, difference is 1. In last column, first list value is 25, another list value is 48, the difference is 23. So in this difference, so which one is highest value? 23. 23 is highest value in 23 in fifth column. In fifth column, least value is 25 compared to AI, Bj. A is 100, Bj is 40, least value is 40. I enter 40 here and I subtract this, remaining 60. So in this column, there is no remaining value. I strike out in this column. Next, difference 2, same thing, the first list value is 20, another list value is 28, difference is 8. In second row, first list value is 36, another list value is 40, the difference is 4. In third row, 22, another list value is 35, difference is 13. Same thing, column, first list value is 20, another list value is 35, the difference is 15. In second column, 28, 36, difference is 8. In third column, 22, 32, difference is 10. In last column, 44, 45, difference is 1. Fifth column, there is no value. So in this second difference, highest value is 15. 15 is first column. In first column, least value is 20. So compared to AI, Bj, A is 50, Bj is 100. So least value is 50. So I enter 50 here. After that I subtract this, remaining 50. So in this row there is no remaining value. I strike out either entire row. So next one is difference 3. In first row no value. In second row least value is 36, another least value is 40, difference is 4. In third row 22, 35, difference is 13. In same thing, column. So first column 35, 48, difference is 13. Second column 36, 55, the difference is 19. In third column 22, 40, the difference is 18. In fourth column 44, 45, difference is 1. Last column no value. In third difference, which one is highest value? 19 is highest value. 19, second column. In second column least value is 36. So A is 60, Bj is 70, minimum is 60 and subtract this, remaining 10. So I cancel this row. So now I compare row and column. In column we don't compare this column. So I choose this least value 22. 22 is least value. A is 150. Bj is 50, so least value is 50. So I subtract this, remaining 100. So in this column no remaining value. So next least value is 35, 50, 100, least value is 50. So remaining 50. So in this column no remaining value, I cancel this column. So next one is least value is 45, 40, 50. The least value is 40. So remaining 10. So I cancel this column. So next one is 10, 10. So minimum is 10. So now find the answer. So therefore transportation cost equal to rupees. So I multiple and add every allotted cells. 20 into 50 plus 36 into 60 plus 25 into 40 plus 35 into 50 plus 55 into 10 plus 22 into 50 plus 45 into 40. So therefore transportation cost equal to rupees 9,360. Transportation cost rupees 9,360. Now I am using MODI, modified distribution method or UV method. So Cij table for allotted cells. So Cij table for allotted cells. So in this table the allotted is first row, first column, second row, second column, second row, fifth column, third row, first column, third row, second column, third row, third column, and fourth row, fourth column. So this is the allotted cells. So I write down only question in allotted cells 20, 36, 25, 35, 55, 22, 45. So this is the Cij table for allotted cells. So we find out this U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So I enter the value every row for U1, U2, U3 and every column for V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, and I put U3 equal to 0. So because here maximum allotment in third row. So in first row single allotment, second row 2 allotment, third row is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's why I put U3 equal to 0. So next we have to find another values. So V1 is 35 in this table, 35, outer is 0, 35 minus 0, 35, V2 55 minus 0 is 55, V3 22 minus 0 is 22, V4 45 minus 0 is 45, and U2 25, here no value, I split this, next one is 36, 36 minus 55 minus 19, and next one is U1 20 minus 35 minus 15. So V5 25 minus plus, so 25, so minus already minus 19, so 25 plus 19 is 44. Okay. So next one is Cij table for unallotted cells. In this table, which one is empty? That is unallocated. So I enter the question unallocated cells 28, 32, 55, 70, 48, 40, 44, then 48. And also I enter the same value. U1 is minus 15, U2 minus 19, U3 0, V1 35, V2 55, V3 22, V4 45, V5 44. So now I find the value is 28. In 28, outer value is minus 15 in this row, minus 15 in this column, 15. I add this two value 55 plus minus 15. So 55 minus 15, 40. So I add this value and enter in above, and next one is 28 minus 40. 28 minus 40 is minus 12. So next one is 32. So in this row minus 15, in this column 22. So 22 plus 22 plus minus 15. So 22 minus 15 is 7. So 32 minus 7, 25. So next one is 55 minus 15, 45. 45 minus 15 is 30. 55 minus 30 is 25. So next one is 70 minus 15, 44. So minus 15, 44 minus 15, 29. So 70 minus 29, 41. So next one is 48. So in this row minus 19, column 35. 35 minus 19, 16. So 48 minus 16, 48 minus 16, 32, and another value is 40. In this row minus 19, column 22, 3, 40 minus 3 is 37. So next one is 44. So in this row minus 19, column 45. So 45 minus 19, 26. 44 minus 26, 44 minus 26 is 18. So finally 48, in this row 0, column 44. So add this value 44. So subtract this 48 minus 44, 4. So therefore delta ij table So in this table, I enter this delta ij values. So delta ij value is minus 12, 25, 25, 41, 32, 37, 18, 4. So in this table, only one negative value is there. So since delta ij less than or equal to 0, the optimal solution is not reached. The optimal solution is not reached because one negative value is there. So now we have to find the improved method or looping method. So looping method, So in this looping method, so I enter the allotted values. I enter the allotted values 50, 60, 40, 50, 10, 50, 40. So in this delta ij table, so negative value is first row, second column. So I identify this first row, second column. So now I using looping method. So I started from negative value. Here the negative value I started from here. I start from here. I stop this because here allotted cells. Again I start here. So I stop this allotted cells. Again I start here and stop here allotted cells. Again I start and finish the starting point. So I put the sign for plus, minus, plus, minus. So in this negative value, so the highest is 10. So in this negative value, highest is 10. So I add and subtract this 10 for every value. So I add and subtract this 10 for every value. So 50 minus 10 is 40 here plus, so I put 10 here, there is no sign, so 60, 50 plus 10 is 60, so 10 minus 10 0, so next one is 50, 40, 40. So in this sign, so I add 10, so every value, so 50 minus 10 is 40, so in here is plus symbol, so 10. And next one is 60, there is no sign, so 60 is same, and 50 plus 10, 60, so 10 minus 10 is 0, so not enter the value, and next to 50, 40. So this is the new allotment cells, this is the new allotment cells. Now again we have to find Cij table for allotted cells, Cij table for allotted cells. So this is new allotment. So I enter question 20 and 10 is 28, 36, 25, 35, 55, sorry, 22 and 45. So again we have to find U1, U2, U3, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So I enter U3 equal to, I put U3 equal to 0 because maximum allotted is in third row. So next I find out all the values. So V1 35 minus 0 is 35, V2 no value, V3 is 22 minus 0 is 22, V3, and V4 45 minus 0 is 45. U1, so 28, here no value, so I drop this. Next one is 20, 20 minus 35 is minus 15. In V2, 36, here no value, I drop this. Next one is 28, 28 minus 15, already minus is there, minus minus plus. So 28 plus 15 is 42. And the next one is U2, so U2 is 25, here no value, so I drop this. 36 minus 42 minus 6. Next one is V5, 25 minus, already minus is there, so minus minus plus, 25 plus 6 is 31. So next one is Cij table for unallotted. unallotted cells. And I enter same value u1 equal to minus 15, u2 equal to minus 6, u3 equal to 0, and v1 equal to 35, v2 equal to 42, v3 equal to 22, v4 equal to 45, v5 equal to 31. So in this allotted table, which one is empty? That is unallotted. So I enter the question 32, 55, 70, 48, 40, 44, 55, 48. So now find the delta ij and unallotted values. So in this 32, so row is minus 15, column is 22. So I add this value 22 minus 15. 22 minus 15 is 7. So 32 minus 7. 32 minus 7, 25. 25 is here. Next one is 55. In this row minus 15, column is 45. So add this value 30. So 55 minus 30, 25. So next one is 70. 31 minus 15, here 16. 70 minus 16 is 54. And next one is 48. Row is minus 6, column is 35. So 35 minus 6 is 29. 48 minus 29 is 19. So next is 40. So in this row minus 6, column 22. 22 minus 6 is 16. 40 minus 16 is 24. And next one is 44. 45 minus 6 is 39. 44 minus 39 is 5. And next one is 55. 42 minus 0, 42. 55 minus 42, 13. And finally 48. 31, 0, 31. 48 minus 31, 17. So therefore, delta ij table so delta ij value is 25, and next one is again 25, 54, 19, 24, 5, 73, 17. So since all delta ij greater than or equal to 0, the optimal solution reached. The optimal solution is reached. Therefore, transportation cost equal to rupees. Again I multiple new allotment, multiple and add new allotted. So new allotted is 40 into 20 plus 10 into 28 plus 60 into 36 plus 40 into 25 plus 60 into 35 plus 50 into 22 plus 40 into 45. I multiple question this new allotment 40 into 20 plus 10 into 28 plus 60 into 36 plus 40 into 25, 60 into 35, 50 into 22, 40 into 45. The answer is transportation cost equal to rupees 9,240. Thank you.